Coke wants fans to use ChatGPT and DALL-E to create brand artwork. Create Real Magic campaign marks Coke's first use of AI technologies. Well, they were getting some love on the web for they said there was an AI element in their recent commercial because it was like modifying all those famous artworks. Now they want you to be the artist, I suppose, by utilizing AI. They just want to get on an AI train. They're just like, don't forget about us. We're cool, too. Hey, you notice how NFTs just became AI? It just became DALL-E. It just became Midjourney. It just became ChatGPT. All the hype that was NFTs just went straight over there. It's like the artists were at a peak. They were at an all-time high. It was like, art is real. Art is now. They finally came around. They said, never give up. Like, hey, the payday was coming. We cashed it. Like, this is us now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And then everyone's like, And then they're like, you know what? Actually, we feel like computers should just do that stuff. And the whole NFT thing, we're not really into that anymore. So actually, everybody's an artist now because AI will just do whatever they say and we'll all accept whatever this inferior output is. Like, we'll just all have like 20 fingers and won't even really matter. And they were like, what? We were just having like community groups and we were having...
We were winning.
Twitter spaces.
Hard work, remember?
Twitter spaces with each other about all our new creations we were minting. And people are like, meh.
That's the phrase of 2023. Meh.
Meh. Meh. Like, yeah, that's cool. That's fine.
Yeah.
It's great. And then the brands are the same. The brands were, and companies and celebrities and everybody was rushing into the NFT space. They're like, I think we had this something over there. Hey, he's talking about it. Biggest thing. And then as that faded and this picked up steam, now all those marketing departments are sitting around saying, what's our play in, do we have a play in AI? And they're like, you're selling a sugary beverage. They're like, what's our play in AI?
Yeah,
and
that's like, all that matters.
Let's do a contest. Okay, cool. Create Real Magic. Show people how to use AI. Here's the assets. Ask for whatever you want. See what it spits out. And look, you're an artist too. You get a trophy too. An astronaut reaching for a Coca-Cola in space. Cinematic lighting. Octane. Boom. Art done. You see that, Will? Art done.
And you have to have the Coke bottle?
Campaign is done. Your art is done. Campaign is done. Don't pay an artist. What are you, crazy?
Oh.
Don't buy an NFT. What are you, crazy? You guys know I'm being sarcastic right now, but I'm telling you the truth, what's going on in the world. What I do. What I try to do. It's amazing how man, the 180 on that front.
Yeah, so quick.
Art is real. Art is it's a renaissance. The artist has never been where they are today with NFTs, and then everyone's like, meh. Autogen. Autogen is cool too. They're like, but what about collectibles and autogen's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Just deal with that. It's like autogen. It's like YouTube versus Vimeo. You know what I'm saying? It's like, no. High margin, low volume, limited. And I was like, nah. Images, pictures, boom, next. Swipe. Collect. I'm dead.
Yeah.
Collect. I'm dead. I'm not here long enough to collect.